Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you an unboxing experience. This is, well, I'll give some backstory. I think a little less than a month ago, I showed all my broken CharaChorders. Well, they're not all broken. I think the Master Forge is technically working, it's just, whatever. In less than a month, CharaChorder, the company, has replaced my broken CC2, and I believe this is the CC2.1. So I'm going to this is real time, folks. This is real time. I'm going to take this out. Okay. Interesting. So it looks like the box, I feel like the box used to be a darker black. Like this, I don't know. Okay, this is what we got. Let me just make sure it's in frame. All right, yeah, I'm kind of trying this this new format. All right, so I'm pretty excited because I've been using my Magic Keyboard for the last 3 weeks or so, and I'm up to about 100 on a good day, words per minute, but it's not even about the typing speed, it's about the whole experience of the CharaChorder. And I would much rather prefer typing on the CharaChorder. Okay, the suspense is building up. Okay, so here are the molded keycaps. Check that out. Yeah, these are looking pretty good. I'm gonna leave them in the bag because that's what I want to do. And here it is. Well, let's see if there's anything. I don't know. It smells like it just came out of a factory. Kind of like I don't know. But on to the main attraction. Alright, here it is, the CharaChorder 2.1. It feels pretty good. The previous one, the CC2, it had pretty silent key switches. I'm not gonna get it out because I did see a comparison where they compared the sound of the 2.1 switches with the 2 switches, the CC2 switches. And even though the CC2 switches were quiet, the CC2.1 switches are basically silent. In that comparison video I saw anyways, but I mean, you can hear some sound, you know, when it's at this point, it doesn't even, it's so quiet, it doesn't even matter if it gets, you know, a few bumps quieter or louder. It's like already, it's good enough. Like, they should work on the longevity of the products. Yeah, so here's the full rotation. Check out the I believe they fixed, there was an issue that I had and many others had on the CC2 where this thing would like pop out whenever you're like taking out the cord. So maybe they super glued it in or something. I don't know. I'm not gonna try pulling it out. But yeah, sorry, I just realized you'll be looking at it like that. So pretty cool. I really, you know, CharaChorders, they always feel nice in the beginning, so I'll be doing a follow-up video But yeah, I'll do a type test now. Alright, we're here on Monkey Type. I'm gonna use my Magic Keyboard. So this is what it's been like after 3 or so weeks, so kind of used to it now. Oops, 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 oops. I'll probably do another run, you know, just, okay, 87. Okay, this run needs some more respect. Alright, there you go. Magic Keyboard after 3 weeks. I'm up to 91 on, you know, if you want to take my word for it, I did hit 110 on this within the last week, but it's not important. It's what's important, and that was on the Magic Keyboard. And I don't think I'm not going to hit it on the CharaChorder 2.1 or the CC2.1, but I just like typing on it, just because like how all the keys are placed. Okay, so now we are going to switch. Keyboard is off. Here's the, well, the way I do it is I leave the rubber band on, and then I just take out however much cable I need, and then I think that's enough. Okay, then I center it like this with the logo. Yeah, it feels right. Maybe, no, I have the right amount of cable. Now it's plugged in, but it's not connected. I'm gonna connect it right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is connected. Now this is first time typing on the CC2.1, and let's give it a go. Oh wait, why am I... Sorry, I got distracted by the ghost cursor. Yep. Hope I didn't forget where all the keys are. Okay, feels good. I like how it doesn't click like the Master Forge. Okay. Yeah, I think so I just gotta get used to the keyboard, and then I think I'll get this up to like 80, but, you know. Okay, now I'm getting messed up on the built-in chords, so I gotta just take it easy for now. Okay, I'm not typing that well, but let's give coding a try on the CC 2.1. Okay, here's a project that I've been working on. It's open source. I've been telling people about it, but I don't know. I'm just using this as an example, so yeah. Oh man, I am really rusty on the CC, on the CharaChorder, but okay, let's I don't even know what to type. I could just say like test. Okay. I don't even know why I'm doing that. Okay. Okay, well, you know. I can do all the brackets, you know. That's important. Semicolon, equals, colon. All the important stuff. So that was coding. So yeah, I'm just going to give this keyboard some more time, and I'll make a follow-up video about something. Yeah, all right, bye.